Hey, here we go.
Last day.
Last day. Last full day.
Last full day. So this is the last day. This is it.
Can't believe it.
We made it this far. I hope y'all enjoyed this.
Look at it.
Look at this, man. No. Fuck. Bullshit. The last day.
Maybe we'll get lucky.
This shit is not drying up.
Be good by like 1 or 2.
This shit is not looking good.
Oh.
All right.
That's why it was ended up cutting holes.
Let me see what we got here. So we're at TriStar right now. About to get a little warm up. One of my favorite little skate parks in Ohio. Legendary. Yeah. In the building. Sick. We up at big TriStar right now. Where they do it the biggest. We'll change it up. We're about to get it in, right?
Maybe.
This is gonna look better to the viewers because look how nice it is now. It's not all bubbly.
Like
I'm gonna get it all bubbly.
I've been on the road racing, type of dude let the wind take me. Just living when they ask where I've been lately. Doing great when they ask how I've been lately. 0 fucks been all I really give lately. This is greatness, I know they hate it. Doing everything differently, nothing's basic except the whip. But fuck it, that shit's spacious. 35 miles per gallon, I'm trip taking by any means. Smoke too much to dream, still got plenty dreams. With this music, there won't be no getting rid of me. Shit I've been through, can't nobody ever get to me.
Struggle out here.
I know, it's hard.
I mean, in here.
In here.
Yeah.
Phil! Fresh, crispy. Looking crispy. Dapper, crispy looking man.
Crazy.
Move the camera.
That's what CJ's doing to me. Yeah, he's putting you through it.
He's going. I'm going home tomorrow. I mean, just one last day of it.
Still going, man, it's looking like a win to me. I feel it in the air, wait till niggas get a wind of me. If you send it beats, have them ready for you, send to me. It's gonna be a horror film on anything I'm featuring. Exorcism, bring a preacher in. Lost a couple friends, though I'm hopeful we gon' speak again. See them in my stories, but my stories never feature them. Glad they still checking for me, cause I always think of them, I really mean it. How I fight so many battles, still I'm undefeated. How I don't get what I want, but get what I'm needing. How I turn into that hero that I always needed. Let's go.
No! Not this, are you alright? Fuck, man.
Get it?
Damn it.
Not the hit. Not the hit.
Yeah.
Not the hit.
I knew we should have just left. We should have just left.
It's always that one more.
Dude, we could have just dipped. Damn.
Dodge that hip all day. All day I dodged it.
Is it good?
Yeah.
That's it.
You good?
Yeah, it just gave me a little shock down my leg.
Yeah, that's good. Just a shot.
Do a little jumping jack.
Does it? It looks like it's raining somewhere. Is that natural?
No,
No, we're
good.
One more.
Yeah.
Right here.
Hey, what the?
One more?
No. What's up, bro? How are you? What's your name?
Bruce.
Bruce? CJ. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I saw the last time like a church, like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah?
Like,
Out here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I got here.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Partying session? You were there, right? The party?
Yeah, that's right. We're back.
That's crazy. I didn't know you went to school here. I wish I skated bring to the skate today. Yeah? I didn't know that you guys that was like ready for the bus. Oh,
There's good skate spots over here.
Oh yeah, I saw that like some ledges over there. Yeah, there's ledges. There's ledges down here.
Yeah, I saw the underground.
Later, Bob.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Can I get a drink? What's your name?
Austin.
Austin? CJ.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I make vlogs, so I'm filming for my vlog, and I seen you doing cool tricks, so I was like,
I'm rusty, dude. I'm I don't know.
maybe a kickflip?
What's that?
Maybe a kickflip?
Maybe a kick. We'll see.
It's looking pretty promising. Third day back after a year and a half. All right, move back. Yeah. Dedication. Look at that commitment. That's so sick. You just came out of nowhere and you just started killing it. That is the best. Yeah. Fuck yeah, that was so sick. Austin just clipped up.
I'm like really trying to boost off that crack.
Stretch game.
We need another black man out here motivating while I'm gone, so I'm gonna let you come in for me. So make sure you're helping him, tagging him on, tagging Johnny on, tagging Eric on for doing a good job out there. All those goods. Yeah, Eric, we need wax. Hold on. We gotta get this wax going, make sure he can slide and grind so he don't get stuck. We need Eric out here making a considerable change. Considerable. Everybody's making considerable change. Yeah, Eric, it's gonna be good, so just lean forward.
I hear here considerable changes. Considerable changes right here.
We're making considerable changes.
Considerable change. It's needed. Outside right now, CSU last day here. Trying to get as many clips as we can. My legs feel like chopped liverwurst with onions and rice. Soggy rice.
Rice.
Yeah, Eric.
Got that.
We got Derek out here. We got Johnny Grogan.
Yeah, they're so nice.
Young JG. 8-ball MJG. Johnny Grogan, same thing. We all out here. It's real different. When you come to Cleveland, it's what you do. Yeah.
Right here, I believe in you.
Considerable change, Johnny.
I don't know if I want it that bad.
Considerable
No, you do.
change.
He does it all, man. He does it all, man.
He does. Hey, listen to that man, cause he's right. I do it all. Jack of all motherfucking trades, nigga.
Jack of all trades,
You get that
right
shit
here.
correctamundo. We like that. Last day. Actually, there's no more days left. Headed home right now. Cleveland, it's been great. I've had wonderful times. I've had great times. I've had everything but bad times. And I'm so glad I get to leave on this note. This is it, man. Cheers. It's been such a good trip.
But it's raining. You're leaving.
Yeah. That's probably the plane right
Do
there.
they know that it didn't rain one day since you've been here?
They did.
Not one day except
Except for yesterday.
Except for yesterday.
And now I'm leaving and it's raining.
Brought the sunshine and you're taking it with you.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It is fun. That's something. Yep. I'm like reminiscing on all the good times I had. So many. I might as well just like throw them in there too. But that sad little song.
Yeah.
Dapping up everybody. The hugs. Support. You see it. This is what y'all wanted. Me to go back home. Some more of that Cleveland air. That last little bit.
Pretty tough point for your lost ID.
Fuck yeah. Hell yeah, one more brother. That's been so real. I'll be back. I will be back.